how to buy Haedal Protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of Haedal. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going out by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token will be listed or it's available on MEXC. You can buy it on MEXC or on your MEXC account. Now first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, in the search bar, now type the token name. It will be the Haedal, like that. Sorry. So after type the token name, click on this button to have USDT. Now wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now after this page is loaded, so just wait a few seconds. Now as you can see here, you can now type the quantity. You can switch it from here to, like, if you want to search or select the Haedal or the token name. Now you can now type how much quantity that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see the open log. So after you create or open the log, you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Haedal token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.